Okay, let's create a spider with a web. So we need balloons, approximate amount of, let's just say 8. Okay. So now put it all together using the nostrils on every end of the balloon like this. Okay, so we can connect it already. We need to connect more. Okay, connect another more. And connect another more here. Now put it all together that you connected earlier. Put it all together like this. See? So now we just put or place all the balloons on the table like this. Put it there. Now we need another inflated balloons here. So on this part, create a loop. Create a 3-inch bubble here. Now tie this up. Tie this around this blue. That's it. Now put it around on every green balloons. Okay? Until we create a web here. Put it around just like this. Twist it around. Twist it one more. Twist it one more time. And twist it one more time. Twist it again. And for the last part, just put it here. That's it. Now arrange the balloons. Now we need to get more balloons here. We need to replace this area. So we need to get another balloon. So for me, if you want to make it all plain white web, it's up to you. For me, I decided to make it more colorful. So put it here. Just do the same thing like you did earlier. Twist this. Now put it around the nostril. Just like that. Now just do the same thing like you did earlier. Wrap it around just like that. Wrap it around over and over. That's it. Okay, so we need another red here for this to continue the web. make a small bubble to connect this one, or just pull it here, this tiny end, and wrap it around. Oh, sorry. Careful with your balloon, of course. Continue wrapping. That's it. Now, put the red one here. Wrap it also. Wrap it around. Just like that. Now, do the same thing like you did earlier. Wrap it around. Here. One more. Here. Okay, so we created a web. Okay, I know it's not so perfect, but you may get what I mean. This the web. And that's it. Okay, you may design this during Halloween events. You put adhesive tape so that it will stick on the wall. That's it. This is the web. Okay. Okay, let's create spider this time. So we need more balloons for this wonderful balloon figure. This is very suitable for Halloween events. So in this case, we need more balloons that we need here. So 2, 4, 6, and I think this is quite enough. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we will just add if we need more as we go along. Okay, so now let's proceed to our next part of our spider figure. Okay, here our first step, we need to put all the nostrils, all the end part together like this for the head. So we will create head first for the spider. Now create a bubble here, 3 inches allowance, 3 inches, another, oh sorry, so another 3 inches. Okay, so we to avoid on that particular things that happen, you need to lock it so that it will not untwist. Okay, so now create the same length like this, just like that. Okay, now put it here and wrap this around. Just like that. Now, create the head of the spider. Now, create a ear loop for the eyes. So remember, this the head. Approximate length of this is 2 inches on each. Now, create an ear loop or ear twist here for the eyes, and now another ear loop or ear twist for the eyes. That's it. Now, so we have excess balloon here for the antenna, so we need to remove some excess air here. So I think this is enough. Okay, so do the same thing here. Okay, So we have antenna. Now we need to make a loop here and also here. Okay, so this is the head. Okay, this is the head of our spider. All we need is the body. Now, like we did on the web, just put all the balloons together to create the legs of the spider. Just like this. So we need more because I think the legs of the spider consists of 8, right? 8 legs. So I think we need more balloons here. So we have 6 already here. Yes, we have another one here. So let's put it together. Okay. Now we have the legs. Now put it all together, all the balloons for the legs of our spider. Again, this balloon figure is good for the Halloween this coming November. Okay, so just put it all together. Just like that. Now, this is the body, remember? All you need to do is connect the body just like this. Connect the body, wrap it around just like that. Now we have the body. And we need a little more configuration here for the legs. So all you need to do is create an ear loop here. Okay, an ear loop. Just do the same thing for the legs. Create an ear loop. Another ear loop. Okay, another ear loop. Another ear loop. Okay, I think this is the next one, and this is the last. Okay, so we created a spider. We need to arrange all the legs and put all the legs downwards so that it will make more realistic, just like in the movie of Harry Potter. See? So as you can see, this is the body, the tummy of the spider, right? The tummy, the neck, and the head. Okay? And the rest is the legs. Consists of 8 legs, to be exact. And this is the spider. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.